大家好，这是台语开讲第一课。So welcome to the first lesson in my new Taiwanese conversation series. If you haven't yet, go back and check out the pronunciation course first, so you'll know how to read all the pinyin and get all those tones to come out right. And don't forget, throughout all of my courses, I'm going to try to keep the underlined syllables as the original tone, and everything else will change by the patterns that I talked about in those pronunciation videos. So if you haven't watched them yet, do that first. Okay, so let's get started here. So for this lesson, it's just going to be me, but I'm going to try and get some friends on in the future so you can hear some native speakers too. So first I'm going to read over the dialogue, and I'll do it kind of slowly. Then I'm going to go over each sentence, and I'll have the English word-for-word translation, or the gloss, next to that so you can see what they all mean. And then I'll read the dialogue again at the end. So don't feel free if you want to pause it and practice the words or sentences whenever you need to. Okay, so let's get started. 你讲闽南语真好，请问你是倒位人？我是美国人。你学偌久啊？学台语差不多2年，2年尔，真厉害。你敢介意台湾？当然，台湾人拢足友善，国家嘛真水。安尼，你上介意台湾倒一个所在？我感觉东部水当当，但是上好食的物件拢伫台北。讲了无毋对，歹势，时间到啊，我要转去上班。再会，再见。Okay, so now I'm going to read through this line by line, and what I'm going to do is read each word in the tones as they're said in the sentence, so with all of the tone changes going on. And you can follow along. I'll leave a space for you after each word so you can repeat, and then at the end, I'll go through and say the whole sentence, and you can repeat the sentence. Okay, let's get started. 我，你，讲，闽南语，真好，请问，你是倒位人？ Okay, and now the whole sentence. I'll do it in two parts. 我，你讲闽南语真好，请问你是倒位人？ Okay, and then you can try the whole sentence. 我，你讲闽南语真好，请问你是倒位人？ Alright, next one. Short one. 我是美国人。我是美国人。Okay, next one. 你学偌久啊？你学偌久啊？ Okay, next one. 学台语差不多2年。学台语差不多2年。Okay? 2年。尔。真厉害。你敢介意台湾？当然，台湾人拢足友善，国家嘛真水。安尼，你上介意台湾倒一个所在？我感觉东部水当当，但是上好食的物件拢伫台北。讲了无毋对，歹势，时间到啊，我要转去上班。再会，再见。 Okay, the whole sentence. 2年尔，真厉害。你敢介意台湾？Okay, here's the next one. 当然，台湾人拢足友善，国家嘛真水。Okay, I'll do this one in two parts again because it's kind of long. 当然，台湾人拢足友善，国家嘛真水。Okay, here's the next one. 安尼，你上介意台湾倒一个所在？The whole sentence. 安尼，你上介意台湾倒一个所在？Okay, here's a long one again. 我感觉淡薄水当当，但是上好食的物件，拢伫台北。Okay, and I'll break this one up again in two. 我感觉淡薄水当当，但是上好食的物件拢伫台北。Okay, short one again. 讲了，无毋对。讲了无毋对。Okay, here comes the last one. 啊，歹势，时间到啊，我要转去上班。再会，再见。Okay, and I'll do it in two parts again. 啊，歹势，时间到啊，我要转去上班。再会，再见。Alright, now I'm just going to read through the whole conversation again one more time, and I'll read through at a normal speaking speed, so it'll be quite a bit faster. So see if you can keep up, and then when I'm done, or you can pause it and try and repeat in between the lines. 哇，你讲闽南语真好，请问你是倒位人？我是美国人。你学偌久啊？学台语差不多2年，2年尔，真厉害。你敢介意台湾？当然，台湾人拢足友善，国家嘛真水。安尼，你上介意台湾倒一个所在？我感觉淡薄水当当，但是上好食的物件拢伫台北。讲了无毋对，啊，歹势，时间到啊， 我要回去上班。再会。再见。Okay, so that's it for the first Taiwanese conversation lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Don't forget the subscribe button up there on the upper right corner and stay tuned for more lessons coming up soon. Thanks for watching. 再会。